Ali, there is always one thing I tell people. I told you, like, I was a mechanic. I never had any IT background, no matter what, Once I check my emails, probably I can Google something. That was it, So when I came the first day to class, everything was brand new, And I thought like my head gonna explode because I could not even understand anything. But, as time goes by, I persevered slowly by slowly. You start grasping and, it become like second nature, part of life now. You want to study. And then one more thing, when we were still doing the boot camp with Nate, he was giving us his story, and he told us how he did his Power BI certification. And I went through that route. And surprisingly, that's how I got my first job, because I was able to prove I've done Power BI. I can do whatever they need, all those DAX formula and stuff. And that's how I got my first job. So, one thing I always tell people, even when you do the classwork, don't stop there, do something extra, do more research, and eventually it's gonna reward you.
So what's the biggest piece of advice you give people that are potentially starting the class next week?
So next week, stay focused, don't give up, put in the effort and listen to your instructors. This is one of the things, we always talk about oh, that's a motivational speech, that's a motivational speech. I call this a reality speech, because, you listen to them, you do what you are supposed to do, and eventually you're gonna see results. Sometimes you might start doing interviews and you are kind of a little discouraged. It's okay, it's part of the process. But the day you land your first job, it's a U-turn, and you never look back again.
All right, well said. Mark, we appreciate you coming by and spending your time with us, man, and sharing your story. We certainly appreciate it, man. We wish you the best of luck moving forward.
Yeah, and thank you so much. One more thing, Ali, before I go, I just want to say, if there is any veteran, I'm saying hi to them. I'm a veteran, and I've really, benefited from Colaberry. So Ari, maybe you might talk a little bit about veterans. I didn't hear you say anything about them, but hey, you guys, kudos. And everyone, good luck and stay focused. Thank you, guys.
All right, man, we appreciate your service, and we appreciate you coming by and stopping. That's pretty awesome, man. We appreciate you. All right.
All right, thank you, guys.